Okay, I'm walking down the front row of the staging area for the floats and cars and whatnots. That's fixing to be in the Lamar County 2018 July 4th parade. Everybody's got this Check Chuck thing written on there. I'm not exactly sure what that means. Maybe Chuck E. Cheese will be here or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'll do more homework on that later. But we got a good crowd here. And oh yeah, now I'm a car nut, so the 350 69 pallet looks like 69, right? Is that yours? Good job. All right, sirloin, the big cow. Now I know everybody that's been out on the loop knows that big cow right there. We are in Paris, Texas, Lamar County, USA. July 4th, 2018. July 4th parade. All right. People are still rolling in here. So all the people all up at the square. That's going towards the square right there. There's our majestical courthouse. And we are downtown Paris, Texas.